Hi guys, in this video I will show you a problem on projection of planes. A circular lamina of diameter 40 mm rests on its circumference points on HP. The diameter containing the point inclined 45 degrees to B. The surface of the lamina is inclined 40 degrees to HP by its projection. So this problem is basically plane inclined to both the planes. So let us see this. First let me draw the XY line. So center 8, then limits 0, 0, 500, 500, then units it is in millimeters. Okay. Check the, let us draw the 200 mm line further on 200 mm line. This is my XY line suppose. Then the question is, the circular lamina of 40 mm rests on its circumference point on HP, therefore it will be in the S plane. So circular lamina, therefore select a circle, and 40 mm diameter, therefore here it is 20 mm radius. I have drawn a circle. I am moving it a little up. After this, it is plane now, so therefore, and it is resting on the HP, therefore it will be projected on the XY plane itself. Here it will be projected, so here only it will be. Now this we will draw a straight line here like this, and select this straight line, use array, polar array, select the object as this one, enter, and center point as this one, and here you take 12 items and press OK in this way. After that, whatever the points are there, you project like this, the line you project like this. From this side also you move the lights like this, you project all these points. So you give the names as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In that way you can give the names. This is the line obtained and this is your circle. So I'll select the circle and I'll select the line and I'll use separate line weight so that it will be easy for us to understand. So this is your circle and remaining all are projector points. Now second point in the question. The diameter containing the point is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Since it is 45 degrees inclined to VP, therefore this one will be visible to us in the HP, and is saying that the diameter containing, the diameter is to be altered. So this one, let me say this is my diameter, therefore that one is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Therefore one thing we will do, we'll draw a line here like this, some not necessary we need to consider any length. After select that line and rotate it with 45 degrees in the clockwise direction, therefore minus 45 degrees like this. Now whatever this is there, this one should be kept here. So one thing we can do is that we can just select it, we can copy it with this as base point. I can keep it here, only the array is selected. Okay, I'll select all these points and I'll use copy command, and from here to here I'll keep it. But if you see here, the rotation is not correct, so therefore these things are to be rotated perfectly. Or else what you can do is that you can just copy the circle itself, and along this line we can give these things like what is that dimensions are there, these divisions are there, those things can be done along the line. Now I'll do one thing, I'll just rotate it with some angle so that it will be shifted. So I have rotated it so that it has come along this line. So I have rotated it with first I have drawn a 45 degrees line like this, and along that line I have kept it, and I use a rotate command to rotate this circle. Now whatever the projections are there, those things can be projected now like this. So whatever the things are obtained here, these all the things will be again obtained here. What we can do is that we can draw the projector lines at each and every point will come down like this. You can see there are more projector points obtained like this. So the projector lines are obtained. Again, you can draw the straight line here and here. Now this straight line is also given some line weight. Now the third point is he has given that the surface lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Anything related to HP is on the VP. Therefore, if I draw a straight line from here to here like this, and that should be rotated with how much? 40 degrees. So select that line and use the rotate option. Along this line, I will rotate it with 40 degrees in positive value. This, whatever these points are there, those things will be PO enter. Whatever these points are there, all those points along with that straight line should be copied and pasted along this line. So what we can do is that for format point style, this one like this. Okay. Now I will select all these things. I will copy it, and along this point I will move it here and escape. Again, all these points are selected and rotated along with this line with how much degrees? 40 degrees. So I can see whatever the points obtained here are points obtained here, but the angle is 40 degrees, which is given in the question. So it is given in the question like this. Now what we can do, we can project the lines along these things on the bottom side, and also project the lines from the left side circle to the right side. Straight lines are the projectors like this. These two lines are coinciding, so we need to draw two straight lines. Here also these two things are coinciding, we need to draw two straight lines in this way. After that, you can select the points, this one and this one, in that way you can select the points, or else you can directly go with the polyline command. I am selecting the polyline command. Here the point is there, from here it is started. Here the point is there, this one and this one, both are here. This point is also matched. This point is also matched. This one, next point is this and this. Again here, this one and this one. Then these 2 points are on the same straight line. And here, here. So this is your final last output, which is inclined at 2 angles. PE enter. Select this polyline and use fit so that the fitting is done correctly. Then even if you want, you can give the same line weight to it also. And for these all things, you should give the names so that it will be easy for you to draw. So it is inclined at 45 degrees and also 45 degrees to VP, and also it is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. The circular lamina or the circular disc is. So here, after this all finished, we can give the names. Beforehand only, if you give names, it will be easy. If you are practicing this very good, this first step can be omitted directly, because instead of drawing this step and drawing again the 45 degrees line and copying pasting it, directly we can draw the 45 degrees line, and along that straight line only we can start the diagram. So if you are perfect with the drawing, we can omit this step and draw directly these 2 steps only. If you are not able to draw, then basic regular format you can start from the beginning itself. So this is how you do. You draw the problems with planes or the projection of the planes which are inclined to both the planes VP and HP. Right.